Good afternoon, and welcome to the Good Plates Kitchen. Today I want to review this Homcookit Acacia Utensil Holder. And it's wonderful because it has 3 dividers, which means it has 4 slots for all your utensils. And you can see I have a lot of utensils in here, so it really does a good job of keeping all my utensils. It's, as I said, it is acacia wood. It's really lovely. It goes very well in my kitchen. And here I'll show you how easy. See, here's some whisks. That whisk in there. And we have another whisk. Put that in there. So you can separate your stuff however you want to do it. We really, really like it. Again, it's beautiful acacia wood and it's easy to clean. I highly recommend it if you want your kitchen nice and orderly. And thank you for joining me on The Good Plate. We'll see you next time. Remember, forever forward, forever flavorful. Yum, yum!